Hi all, Georgiana here. I have a new tutorial for you, fresh, original. I'll show you how to make a pendant from an ivy leaf and a real wasp. Yes, you heard me right. I'll use a real wasp to make this pendant. I don't recommend going to kill the poor insects in nature. I love nature enormously and it should be left as it is. However, if you find a dead insect, you can also make a different decorative objects with them in resin. You will learn the following. What kind of leaves can be put in resin? How to immerse a leaf in the resin without touching it? How to attach an insect to the leaf? And so much more. At the end of the tutorial, I'll tell you where to find all the materials needed for this project. You will need a well-ventilated room, a professional mask like this one, and gloves. I'll not work with gloves because I want you to understand every movement I make during the tutorial. Okay, so let's begin. First, we must select a leaf pressed for several weeks in an old book. Now the wasp is, of course, dead. I was not in nature to look for it and kill it, but I found it close to my window one morning. I choose an ivy leaf because it successfully contrasts with the wasp's colors. Now I cut a piece of 26 gauge or 0.5 millimeters gold-plated wire. With the help of a plier, I made a closed loop and spin the ends of the wire, created an elongated loop. I straightened the loop shape with the plier and placed it on the back of the ivy leaf. Okay, and next I spaced the edges of the loop to stabilize the back of the leaf. You'll see in a minute. Yeah, that will go. Okay. I placed the leaf and the loop on the surface of a plastic lid. You can use any plastic foil you have at hand. I opened the bottle of transparent UV resin and added 2 drops between the leaf and the loop. Using a 48 watts lamp, I dried the resin for 1 minute. You can leave in 2 minutes, it's up to you. Maybe you do that in the end. I opened the bottle of UV dip resin, which is different from transparent UV resin. The consistency is different. With a plier, I grabbed the leaf by the loop and dipped it in the resin with care and attention. Yep. I made sure that the leaf went entirely into the resin, but that it didn't break while doing this because the leaf was very dry. You can use a toothpick if you notice large bubbles on the leaf's surface. I removed the leaf from the resin bottle and waited for the excess to flow. You can use the toothpick again to remove the air bubbles. While moving the leaf so that the resin does not flow and at the same time remains uniform on the entire surface, I turned the UV lamp and dried the resin. Moving the leaf while doing this, it's very important, especially in the first 20-30 seconds of drying. I checked, put it again. After noticing that the resin is almost dry, I put it on the lid and let it dry. Now the wasp. I took the wasp with tweezers and added some resin to the leaf's surface. I used the UV dip resin this time because it dries faster than the UV transparent one. it has a different chemical consistency. After positioning the wasp as I wanted on the leaf, I put it under the UV rays again. 30 seconds or so. I also added the antennae of the wasp that had fallen during the movement. I added some more resin with a toothpick and then put it under the UV lamp, I don't know, for about a minute or so. It's already starting to look very good. I like how it looks, but I need to strengthen the part with the wasp because I don't want it to fall apart or something. I took more UV dip resin and with the toothpick I surrounded carefully the wasp. I also added resin to the wasp's wings to strengthen them, to make them hard. Very carefully. Good. I waited 30 seconds at the lamp. Okay. But I don't think it was enough, so I added resin, this time starting from the wasp's wings. Yeah. Carefully, because I didn't want to break them. I put it again under the UV rays of the lamp for a minute. Now, it's important to put it under the UV rays more at the end of the project. It looks better and better. Now, the final part of the project. I dipped the leaf into a resin container to create uniformity. I really love this part of the tutorial. So much satisfaction to see the resin flow my way. Yeah, I waited gently to float the excessive resin from the ivy leaf. With a toothpick, I removed the air bubbles. And again, I put everything under UV rays, regularly moving the leaf and making sure the resin looks nice. You don't want more resin in one part of the leaf and less on the other. It's like a dance under the UV rays. Let it dry for a few minutes. This part is important. I check if it's getting drier and I put it on a plastic surface. Ta-da! The pendant is almost ready! I cleaned the loop with a tweezer from the excessive resin. I added a chain, and now I can enjoy a pendant created with natural, fascinating elements. I used the collagen plated, but you can use any type of chain you want, or maybe you can use a leather cord if you make a bigger loop. What do you think? I'm waiting for your comments on this tutorial. So, as I promised, if you need the materials list, please go to the description of this video and click on the materials list. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so because I want to release some more videos soon and you should be the first to watch them. So stay tuned and create with joy. Bye bye!